So, my mom left me at a doorstep. She was scared, afraid of how the world would treat someone like me. My dad was a legendary fighter, but he's been gone since I was a kid. I was lost until an old master took me in. He didn't just teach me how to fight. He taught me who I am. Now, I'm not an outcast anymore. I'm a warrior.
Control every movement. Excellent. Your form is true.
Go to the city. Find your mother. She is waiting for the warrior you have become.
Yes, Master. I promise. I'll be back soon.
Be careful, Leo. Always keep your whiskers sharp and your spirit calm.
Whoa, look at this place. I've never seen anything like it.
Help me! Please help! Look at you. Trapped. There's nowhere to run. And nobody's coming to save you.
Heard you were looking for a hero? I'm here.
Who are you?
Now, let him go. All right, let's teach that arrogant cat a lesson. Move.
Thank you. Seriously, man, thanks for saving my life. If there's anything I can do for you, I'm looking for someone, my mother. She's the one in this picture.
Wait, what? That's my wife.
This is it, Leo. This is my home. And from now on, it's your home too. You're not alone anymore. We're finally home.
Leo, my son.
Mom, no matter what happens, I want you to know I love you so much.
I know, my son. My love for you is greater than life itself. Never forget that.
All right, so where did I create that short film cut, that kung fu cut? I made it here in KLING AI. All of the motion and even the dialogue in that cut were done here. So here you can see they have these models, the 3.0 motion control and activities, they have samples. Now let's go straight to it. Okay, so this is the asset I made. I have these assets here that I created, so we'll skip some of them. There are a lot, really a lot. Okay, let's start here with the history of our kung fu cut. This is where I made the clip for our short film and also the mother. We also created her. Okay, so the story. You just add a narrator or something, a voiceover, to make your short film's story better. As you can see, this is where we made them chasing. Yes, we improved that part. And here we also made the impacts. He wrote this. All right, so let's go straight ahead. As you can see, these kung fu scenes we made. It was a bit slow before because the one we were using earlier didn't have the 3.0 KLING AI. This is new. Okay, so here you can see everything. Yes, you can do it in KLING AI if you want. All right, so let's go to the subscribe section if you want to know. Okay, so for the subscription, it's $25 USD. You get 3,000 credits. At $64, you get 8,000 credits. And at $121, you get 16,000 credits. Okay, but if you want, you might think it's expensive because the credits are small, but it's still cheap. Let's go to create an AI example. Okay, here we upload, let's say an image, a sample image. Okay, so you can see the generation here is at 90 cents. The generation is just that, 90 cents. So you can depend on that. 3 seconds, 15 seconds, that's long already, quite a bit. So I suggest you make it clip by clip. Do it 10 seconds per clip, so it's longer, not too boring. Okay, so that's what I did. For those who want KLING AI, this is good for AI filmmakers, for me. And thank you for watching. Please support the video for more updates and video tips about AI filmmaking.